Today we will study about some major environment international conventions. These type of conventions are definitely asked in exams. First is United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, which is UNCD. Convention on Biological Diversity, Ramsar Convention on Wetlands. Then CITES, Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Fauna and Flora. The Wildlife Trade Monitoring Network, which is known as TRAFFIC. Convention on Conservation of Migratory Species, which is CMS. Coalition Against Wildlife Trafficking, which is CAWT. These are important full form, you should remember it. International Tropical Timber Organization, ITTC. United Nations Forum on Forest, UNFF. Then International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, IUCN. And Global Tiger Forum, which is GTF. These are some of the important full forms which can be asked and which are definitely asked in many government job exams in India. And don't forget to subscribe channel.